Justin Krebs from Krebs Service Station in Spring Mills, Pennsylvania, and today we're going over the Odes DesertCross 1000 HVAC-3. It comes with a ton of features, so let's go ahead and jump on into it. So the HVAC-3 does come with the full cab with heating and air conditioning. It's got a light bar, an LED light bar on the roof. We've got a windshield wiper with the washer. We've got a glass windshield, foldable mirrors. The body on the DesertCross is metal. We've got LED headlights. We've got another LED light bar that's in the grill. A heavy duty front bumper with a 5,500-pound winch. We've got a built-in plow mount. Nice aluminum A-arm guards. A heavy duty suspension. And we've got disc brakes. And we've also got some very nice blacked out aluminum rims. Okay, going inside the DesertCross, you're gonna notice it's got 3 full-size seats. This thing can easily sit 3 full-grown adults. We're gonna notice we've got seat belts, and then the seats do have headrests. Now what's cool, the center seat does fold down. So it gives you a nice console, armrest, more cup holders. There's more cup holders right here. You can open up the center. You have a little cubby hole to put stuff in. And if you want your seat back, all you do is you just pop it right back up. All of these seats are adjustable, so they do go forward and back. And we do have a glove box. We have the vents for the HVAC system, and what's cool about these vents, you can turn them off, open them up, turn them every which way. If you want the heat to act as a defroster, you just turn them upside down, tilt them up like that. Now the air is going to shoot towards the windshield. We've got 2 power ports here. This is your USB type power port, and this is your more traditional 12-volt type power port. We got a nice little cubby hole here. The transmission has a low, high, neutral, reverse, and a park gear. We've got our headlights, turn signals, the horn, hazards. We've got our ignition switch. We do have a digital instrument cluster. The cluster has your speedometer, tachometer. It's got your coolant gauge, fuel gauge, tells you if you're in 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, what gear you're in. Lots of good information on there. This is a power steering unit, so it's EPS, which means electronic power steering. Over here, we have our winch switch. Now, this unit also has what we call a turf mode, so you can actually unlock the rear differential, and it basically puts it into 1-wheel drive. Locking the rear differential locks both of the rear wheels in, and they turn at the same speed. This is the switch for your light bar. This is for the windshield wiper washer. This is for your HVAC system. So center is off, up would be your heater, center off, and then down would be the air conditioner. And then this switch is for the air conditioning to say how cold that you want the AC. We've got our 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive switch right here. And so if we push the button, that activates 4-wheel drive. And then if we switch that over and we push that, that locks in the front differential. So then both front wheels will be turning at the same speed. And then right here is your blower motor switch. Okay, on the side, you're going to notice it's got the full door. We also have windows in it that do slide open and close. We've got our switches right here. This switch lifts and lowers the cargo bed. It's got a power dump bed, and that's for our work light. We also have our snorkel. Now the bed's pretty cool. If you actually take the sides off the bed, which they do on both, this thing can convert into a flat bed. So let's go ahead and actuate the bed and then see how that works. Now we're going to notice too, we've got some tie downs on the sides. And then if you want to come on in here, we have a 1000cc V-twin engine. That engine produces around 80 horsepower. It is liquid and oil cooled. And we have a CVT drive system also. Let's go ahead and lower the bed back down. And if we come around up here, we're going to notice the work light is sitting right in the center. So go ahead and turn that on and off a few times. And then in the back, you're going to notice we have some the tail lights and turn signals. We've got a nice heavy-duty rear bumper with the step. Down below, we've got independent rear suspension with those heavy-duty shocks. We also have sway bars back here. The DesertCross 1000 HVAC-3 can be purchased from Krebs Service Station in Spring Mills, Pennsylvania. Thank you so much for watching the video today.